Hey everyone, welcome back to Go English.
Hi, guys. It's Lucas here.
And I'm Mizu. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Whether you're studying, relaxing, or just taking a break, thanks for joining us.
All right, Lucas, let me ask you something.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hey, Lucas, what did you do today?
Honestly, I just had a normal day, but I realized something.
What?
We talk about daily life all of the time, but English learners don't always know how to do it naturally.
Exactly. Today we'll help you talk about your daily life in English, like real conversations.
No textbook English, just real life.
Simple, natural, and useful English you can use every day.
So stay with us.
And let's get started. Before we start, let's talk about something simple but very important.
Yeah, why is daily life English so important?
Because daily topics are the most common conversations in real life.
Exactly. This is the kind of English you use every single day.
When you talk about your daily life, you can practice English in a natural way.
And it helps you build confidence quickly, step by step.
You don't need difficult words, just simple, real English.
You can use it for small talk
Making friends.
and everyday speaking practice.
All right, let's ask you a couple of questions.
Answer out loud if you can.
Do you talk about your day in English?
Is it easy or a little difficult?
Don't worry if it feels hard.
We're here to help you make it easy and natural.
Lucas, what is your morning like?
My morning is pretty simple, but sometimes a little rushed.
Really? Tell me more.
Well, I usually wake up around 7, but honestly, I don't feel great in the morning. I hit snooze a few times and then I feel a bit lazy.
Yeah, that sounds familiar.
After I get up, I brush my teeth, make some coffee, and check my phone. Sometimes I feel relaxed, but sometimes I feel rushed if I wake up late.
That's very real. I think a lot of people feel the same.
What about you, Mizu? What's your morning like?
My morning is a little different. I try to start my day slowly and peacefully. I usually wake up early, around 6:30. Then I drink some water, do a little stretching, and have a light breakfast. I don't check my phone right away. I like to have a quiet moment first.
Wow, that sounds really nice.
For me, the morning is the most important time of the day.
Why do you think so?
Because how you start your morning can change your whole day. If you feel calm and ready, your day feels better.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So now, let's learn some simple words and sentences you can use to talk about your morning.
These are very common and very useful in real conversations.
Wake up.
Get dressed.
Brush my teeth.
Have breakfast.
Go to work or go to school.
Try to repeat after us.
Now, let's look at how to use them in real sentences. I usually wake up at 7.
I always have coffee in the morning.
I sometimes feel tired when I wake up.
Use words like usually, always, and sometimes to talk about your habits.
And use the simple present tense to talk about your daily routine.
This is how people speak in real life. Simple and natural.
Now it's your turn.
Say it out loud.
I wake up at...
I usually...
Don't worry about mistakes, just speak and practice.
Okay, Mizu. So we talked about the morning, but what about the rest of your day?
My day is usually pretty busy, especially during work.
What's your day like?
I start work at 9, and I usually have a lot of meetings.
Sounds busy.
Yeah, it is. I talk to a lot of people, plan things, and solve problems. By the afternoon, I start to feel a little tired.
Yeah, afternoons can be tough. For me, my day's a bit different.
Oh, really? Tell me about it.
I usually start work a little later, and I spend most of my time on my computer. I have a few meetings, but not too many. Sometimes I feel busy, but sometimes I feel a bit bored.
That's very real. So, as you can see, talking about your day is very simple.
You just describe what you do and how you feel.
Let's look at some useful expressions you can use. Go to work or go to school.
Start work at.
Have meetings or have classes.
Take a break.
Feel busy or feel tired.
Now let's go deeper and learn more ways to talk about your day.
You can talk about your routine. I usually start work at 9.
I always check my emails in the morning.
You can talk about how you spend your time. I spend most of my time in meetings.
I spend a lot of time studying.
You can also talk about different times of the day. In the morning, I feel focused.
In the afternoon, I feel tired.
In the evening, I feel relaxed.
And don't forget to talk about your feelings. I feel busy when I have too much work.
I feel stressed when I have many meetings.
I feel happy when I finish my work early.
You can also give reasons using because. I feel tired because I didn't sleep well.
I feel busy because I have a lot of meetings.
Try to connect your ideas to sound more natural.
You can use simple connectors like and, then, and so. I start work at 9, and then I check my emails.
I have a meeting, so I feel a bit stressed.
Now it's your turn to practice.
I start my day by.
I spend most of my time.
In the afternoon, I feel.
I feel. Because.
Try to say 2 or 3 sentences together.
The more you speak, the more natural you sound.
Keep going. You're doing great. So we talked about the morning and your day at work or school.
Yeah, now let's talk about the evening.
The time when life feels a little more free.
Or a little more fun.
Lucas, what do you usually do in the evening?
On normal days, I go home, cook dinner, and watch something online. But sometimes I like to go out for a walk or do a little shopping. It helps me clear my mind.
That sounds really nice. What about you, Mizu? My evenings change a lot. Sometimes I stay at home and relax, but sometimes I meet my friends for coffee or go out for dinner.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Yeah, it makes my day feel more exciting.
Yeah, evenings can be quiet or social.
And that's why this topic is great for real conversations.
You can talk about your routine or special plans.
Let's look at more useful vocabulary and phrases. Go home.
Cook dinner.
Watch TV or watch something online.
Relax.
Go to bed.
Go out.
Go for a walk.
Go shopping.
Meet friends.
Have coffee.
Go out for dinner.
Now let's see how to use them in real sentences.
I usually go home around 6 and cook dinner.
Sometimes I go out for a walk after work.
I meet my friends for coffee once or twice a week.
I go shopping when I need to relax.
Sometimes I just stay home and watch TV.
I go out for dinner on the weekend.
You can mix daily routines with special activities.
This makes your English more interesting and real.
You can also tell your evening like a short story.
Use then, after that, and finally.
I go home, then I take a shower.
After that, I cook dinner or meet a friend.
Finally, I relax and go to bed.
Now let's practice together. Don't worry, we'll help you.
In the evening, I usually
Go home, go out, meet friends, stay at home.
after work, I like to
Relax, go for a walk, have coffee, go shopping.
sometimes I
Go out for dinner, watch a movie, meet my friends.
after that, I
Cook dinner, watch TV, use my phone, take a shower.
Then I,
Relax, listen to music, read something.
finally I,
Go to bed, sleep early, or stay up late.
in the evening, I feel.
Relaxed, happy, tired, or excited.
Try to make your own short story.
2 or 3 sentences is perfect.
Just speak naturally, like real life. So far, we've talked about your morning, your day, and your evening.
Now it's time to put everything together.
Let's listen to a real conversation.
Pay attention to how we connect ideas.
Ready? Let's go.
Hey, Mizu, how was your day?
It was pretty normal. I woke up late, rushed to work, and had meetings all day.
Really? That sounds busy.
Yeah, I didn't even have time to relax.
Same here. I was so busy, I didn't even take a break.
What did you do in the morning?
I woke up around 7, but I hit snooze a few times. Then I made some coffee and checked my phone.
Same. I always check my phone too.
What about your afternoon?
I had meeting after meeting, so I felt really tired.
That sounds exhausting. What about you? I spent most of my time working on my computer. I felt a bit bored, to be honest.
Yeah, I understand. What about tonight?
I just want to relax and sleep early. Maybe watch something for a bit, then go to bed.
That sounds nice. I might go out tonight.
Oh, really? What are you going to do?
I'm meeting a friend for coffee and maybe dinner.
That sounds fun. Now I feel like I should go out too.
You should.
Or maybe I'll just stay home and relax.
Yeah, that sounds more like you.
Hey,
So this is how real conversations sound.
simple, natural, and full of real feelings.
Don't forget to use reactions like, really?
Same.
That sounds nice.
These small phrases make a big difference.
They make your English feel alive. All right, it's time for a quick challenge.
Don't worry, this is your time to speak.
I'll ask you some questions. Answer out loud.
Short answers are totally okay.
What time do you wake up?
You can say, I wake up at 6. I usually wake up at 7. I wake up late, around 9.
What do you do in the morning?
You can say, I brush my teeth and have breakfast. I drink coffee and check my phone. I go to work or school.
Are you busy during the day?
You can say, yes, I'm very busy. A little bit busy. No, I'm not very busy.
What do you do at night?
You can say, I watch TV and relax. I go out with friends. I go to bed early.
Take your time and try to speak in full sentences.
Don't think too much, just speak.
Mistakes are okay. That's how you learn.
If you want more practice, write your answers in the comments below.
Yes, that's a great way to practice.
The more you write and speak, the more confident you become.
We can't wait to read your answers.
Let's practice together. Talking about daily life is simple but powerful.
Practice every day, even small sentences.
Little by little, you'll sound more natural.
And more confident, too.
Tell us in the comments.
What's your daily routine?
You can write just a few sentences.
Or even a short story about your day.
Every comment is practice.
And every step makes you better.
Thanks for learning with us today.
We're so happy you're here.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.